Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use useState hook in React with TypeScript. For that, I just create one component and I say the name counter.tsx, and in this counter component I say that it is counter type of component, and I use div tag here, and I use button, that is decrement, and one more I use one button, different button for increment, like this. And here in the middle I use a count variable. So where is count? I declare it as a state variable. So I say const, and I say here count and set count, and here I say use state, like this, and I save this. Remember that here I am not specifying any data type, and if you will see that it is undefined, it coming undefined. That is called implicit data type in useState, and I just call this in app also, so that we just remove the error. And here I just create a div tag, and I import this counter. I import this counter like this and save this. And here just we do, you see that we have a set count also, we have this count, and automatically in useState it defined as a undefined data type, and that is a different type of data type that react.dispatch, and finally we have undefined value in it also. So it's saying that you are not using it, so we try to use it, and I say on click. So we have the setting of like this to call the function, and here I say count plus 1, like this. This is the count plus 1. You see the error is coming that it is undefined, so that's why I'm passing here 0, and you see that after specifying a 0 here, everything is changed. We have a number, we have number here, so you see that automatically the data type is changed. That means implicitly the data type is changing here. So it is decrement, so I say -1, and here I just paste it for ++. So now you see that we have same way of working as we do in normal React application with JavaScript. We have a useState, we have the count, we have a function, and if we run this, we have a same kind of increment and decrement type of effect in this application, you see. But one thing you understand here, that whenever we initialize here, implicitly automatically it just find out the data type. If I remove it from here, so it generate error because data type is not specified, not initialized, so it generating error. If I say here null, so you see it would be more error because null data type you can't do this minus and plus. So that is the way to do this. But if we specify a value here, then automatically it analyze that it is a numerical value. If I pass here some string value like Dr. Vipin, so automatically it will analyze that it is a string type of value. So that is the way of passing a implicit data type to the useState, and it behave like a normal React application as we do in with the JavaScript, but implicitly it check the data type and it behave like this. So similarly we can use useState with implicit data type like this. So that's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.